Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. First of all, I extend my greetings to Ambassador Sahil Mahmood Sahab, Ms. Amina Khan, Ambassador Mansoor Ahmad Khan Sahab, Mr. Malik Assisi, and all participants of this program. I also wish to convey my appreciation to the Institute of Strategic Studies, Islamabad, in particular to Ms. Amina Khan, Head of the Kemia, for organizing this event and providing me the opportunity to share views on the governance of the Islamic Emirates, Afghanistan internal trajectories, and its engagement with the international community. Dear participants, today Afghanistan stands at the beginning of a new chapter in its history. Under the leadership of the Islamic Emirates, our nation is making strides towards stability, peace, and progress. Despite facing numerous challenges, Afghanistan has witnessed remarkable changes and achievements over the past 4 years. I will briefly highlight developments in three areas: governance, domestic progress, and international engagements. Governance and internal trajectories. Upon assuming responsibility, the Islamic Emirates' foremost priority was to end decades of conflict. Accordingly, a general amnesty was declared, putting an end to cycle of revenge and instability. This was followed by the establishment of a justice system rooted in Sharia, where courts are active in all 34 provinces and districts, ensuring access to justice through the application of civil, criminal, and other relevant laws. This has effectively ended the culture of warlordism and disorder. It also worth mentioning that with the improvement of security, people's movement and economic activities have increased. Today, Afghans can freely travel across the country, conduct trade, and participate in social economic activities together. This is a clear example of unity nationwide, building and cooperation under a single system. Ensuring security has remained a central priority as it forms the foundation of all progress. Today, Afghanistan enjoys nationwide security. Armed conflicts have ceased, parallel armed groups have been dismantled. The army and police function under unified command, and devices power centers have been eliminated. Another significant development has been the protection of national unity and prevention of internal fragmentation. The cultivation of narcotics, once widespread in Afghanistan, has been completely eradicated. At the same time, over 120,000 drug addicts have received treatment and vocational training during the past 4 years. In the economic domain, Afghanistan has achieved self-reliance. The national budget, previously 70% dependent on foreign assistance, is now fully financed through domestic revenue collected transparently under a regular financial system and central bank oversight. The Afghan currency has remained stable against the US dollar over the past 4 years, reflecting economic stability and public confidence. Moreover, the Islamic Emirate has launched important projects in agriculture, energy, and infrastructure. The Kushtepa Canal is a landmark agriculture initiative. The National Development Company has manufactured 105 types of new equipment in 4 years, including cars, trucks, and 70 types of equipment for agriculture purposes. Major projects such as the reconstruction of the Salang Highway, the construction of Pashdan Dam in Herat, progress on the Tapi Gas Pipeline, and implementation of the Kasa 1000 power project demonstrate tangible achievements. The Trans-Afghan Railway is also advancing through its feasibility stage. Only in the past year, 239 major projects worth $12 billion were initiated, including 10,000 megawatts power project and several 600 megawatt solar power projects. road networks inside Kabul city and major highway to Kandahar, Jalalabad and Ghazni are under construction or have been completed. On the social front, millions of returning refugees have been welcomed and resettled. Monthly allowances have been allocated to 650,000 orphans, widows, and disabled people. Programs for the rehabilitation of beggars have been implemented, contributing to social welfare and national integrity. Furthermore, over the past 4 years, the Islamic Emirate has focused on resolving ethnic and tribal disputes and strengthening relations between different communities. With the help of traditional councils and local elders, long-standing hostilities have been addressed, which has played an important role in national unity and reducing the distance between nation and government. International engagement. In foreign relations, the Islamic Emirate continues to pursue a balanced policy with an emphasis on economic-oriented diplomacy. Afghanistan today is neither dependent on one bloc nor in conflict with another one, but rather seeks relations with all countries on the basis of mutual respect and shared interests. Over the past 4 years, the Islamic Emirate has engaged in more than 2,814 interactions with 101 countries. More than 20 embassies are active in Kabul, while Afghan embassies and consulate function in 41 countries. Afghanistan has also strengthened its role as a hub of regional connectivity through projects such as Topi Kasa 1000 and the Trans-Afghan Railway. Agreements valued at nearly 20 billion US dollars have been signed with Afghan investors abroad, reflecting international confidence. Recognition of the Islamic Emirate has advanced with Russia's official recognition, marking a historic milestone and setting the stage for further progress. The United Nations and numerous international organizations continue to provide humanitarian, reconstruction, and development assistance to the needy people of Afghanistan in coordination with the Islamic Emirate. Excellencies, the points outlined represent only a portion of the Islamic Emirate achievements. Telling all of them will require more time. Meanwhile, it's important to emphasize that these accomplishments are the result of the determination of our people, the intent of our leadership, and the grace of Almighty Allah. In conclusion, I once again extend my gratitude to the organizers of this program and to all participants for affording me the opportunity to address you today. Thank you so much. ومن الله توفيق.